Okay, it's the blaster. I got it all put back together. I just got a clamp on the carb right now because we don't have a plug yet. But we'll walk around a bit. Stock front tires. They're switched out, so they're inside out. You can see the stem in there because they seem like they're offset with the stem on the other side. So I did that so it's wider. About the same in the front as it is in the back, which is a good thing. And I got spacers back there, 2-inch spacers, billet, I think. I got them for like 25 bucks each, which is a really good deal, and they're like brand new. I got shock wears on there that are not completely put on right now because I gotta take off the shocks. Obviously it needs to be washed. Fly V-bars, Banshee, they usually go on Banshees, Ori, grips, Metal Militia, grip donuts, Boys and Reeds, Toomey, full B1 pipe, Maxxis rear tires that are like brand new. You can see a little bit of a line right there. I have outerwear for it. I just lost them, so I think they're inside there somewhere. So I need to get new ones. Boys and Reeds, Canon, TM Design Works. It's supposed to be the chain rollers, but they ended up being the wrong ones. They sent me on eBay. It said blaster, and they sent me Banshee ones, and they're completely wrong. But there's the Canon. Alright, here's the startup. Hey, quiet, stop. When I got it, it came with this Suzuki thing. It's a Yamaha. And I also got this thing. And that's pretty much it. If I get a big bore kit, I'm not even going to get a 240. I'm just going to get 265 HJR kit. Full choke, because it's a complete cold start. Thing runs amazing. Three little short. What I always do. Hold on 1 second so I can pull it forward. Just needs to be clean. Everything's cold. It feels so cold. That's normal. That was first kick. Completely cold start. It's the winter time right now. We just got snow. You can't. A while ago. We just got snow a couple days ago. And it's like 20 something degrees out. I shouldn't even be in a short sleeve shirt in my garage, but that was first kick, full choke. Obviously, I only use the choke when it's cold. It will start without it, but I just don't want to go through it dying and stuff. So, little boot march, clear title. If someone wants to buy it, make me an offer. I'm in Washington. I'm not saying what place I live in. That's only over email. If someone will message me through the YouTube, get in here. Get in here, retard. Come in here now. Perfect seat, no rips at all. Everything just needs to be clean. I'm gonna pressure wash it, which is what I do. I pressure wash it, but someone's borrowing it, so I can't do that. And that thing's frozen up. That's our hose system. This thing's a great bike. It goes everywhere. I already stocked Banshee. I beat him once, but those things get me on the top speed. But yeah, it's got these two things right here. Or four or whatever. It's from a Fox sticker that was right here when I got it. I just took it off, but I thought about getting new plastics after that, but I don't know. I still might before I sell it. New front plastic, because it looks nice. It looks nice, but I think I just want to get one that doesn't look like that. Shut up. Just for a second. And a new DG bumper. Maybe before I sell it. I might just keep it how it is. But obviously wash it. But you can see how much cleaner that side is. That side case than this side case. Clutch is perfect. You can see. Perfect in our clutch. Like, there's no play. That's up and down. It's just nothing back and forth. Perfect clutch. The only thing I can think about this thing being wrong about this thing is the what's it called? The brake. It came with the park brake, and it's because it's an 02. It's the last year they made it with the park brake. But yeah, everything else is perfect. And someone wants to buy it and get some money off and give me a brand new or a PlayStation 3 controller, I'll take it. I need a new one. There's that one right there. It just completely stopped working last night, so we just been destroying it. Yeah, this is a third video. I deleted my other two because they were just retarded. You can see all that shine on there. So yeah, please message or something. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.